so we know each other. Guys, you can call me Ved anytime. No need to pronounce my complete name because my complete name is very big. So you can call me Ved, V-E-D, Ved, anytime. You can stop me. So this is the agenda for the day. This is the typo error. This is the SIL, and this is the SIL. So we will see the safety moment first. If you would like to have some safety moment from your side, please feel free to share the safety moment. Or else I have one small safety moment, I will go through that. And of course, we will go for the SEAL objective. And I will take a little small time to explain the methodology about the SEAL. Although I know you guys are very experienced, but I will quickly go for the methodology. And we'll go for the inputs requirement for the SEAL assessment. And we'll go for the references. So guys, this is the safety moment of the day. As I requested that if you have any safety moment, so please feel free to share. Or else I'm happy to share about this safety moment. Self-explanatory, pictorial representation. If you show on the right side, we have got equipments and there is a pressure gauge. As you know that we are in the oil and gas industry, process industry. And in the process industry, there are various process parameters. And the pressure is one of the vital parameters, which is very important for processes, but at the same time, it can create hazards for people who are going to work on this equipment. Like when you are going to work during maintenance, during operation, during inspection, we must respect the pressure gauges, pressure transmitters, and pressure switches. And we must ensure that we always use the required and essential PPEs when we are in the plant. What are essential PPEs? ADNOC has got beautiful system for PPE matrix. So we must follow the PPE matrix of ADNOC. And of course, we need to ensure that we are trained on the system. We are trained on the procedures. We are trained on SOPs. And we must ensure that any equipment which is given for the maintenance is free from pressure, because pressure can release anytime. This can be hazardous, because it is one of the lifesaver rule in the ADNOC, that is the loss of energy. And of course, we must ensure that all the pressure sensing devices like pressure gauges, pressure transmitters, pressure switches must be tested, calibrated regularly, and the calibration to be done as per the OEM requirement. So this is from my side about the pressure equipment safety. If you want to add something, please feel free to add, or else we'll go for the SIL overview. So would you like to share the project scope, Eldin?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you may please feel free to share your screen so that we can quickly go for the scope of the day.
Let us start with the ADCOB project. The objective of the project to cater 2 million crude from MB 21 to Fujairah through pumps from MBS station and IBS. We have existing pumps, 5 pumps for operation and 1 standby. Now, after to increase the capacity, we need to add further pump at MBS station and IBS station. Is this a blue pump? To handle our objective capacity. This in brief our scope. If we go to the BFD, now here we are in the MBS. We have 4 pumps existing, 5 pumps existing, and adding additional 1. We have suction header and charge header. All this existing, the crude will go to the IBS station through ADCOB pipeline. Is existing pipeline. And now we are in IBS station after crude coming from MBS So this setup, we have existing storage tank and relief the storage tank. This additional pump for IPS. The crude will go to the Fuji through this ADCO pipeline. This in brief the projects.
Okay. Thank you, Ajaluddin. I think you have given very short and simple description. And we will take your help during workshop regarding the SIP and the purpose of the SIP during the workshop. Thank you very much, guys. Guys, again, I will share my screen just to quickly